Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. I'm back with another video on how to add filters on Google Meet. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. And also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to add filters on your Google Meet, you need to first add an extension. Simply open up your web browser and go to Meetup. Google.com. Go ahead and start a meeting by clicking on New Meeting. Or you can also go ahead and join into a new meeting by entering your code or a meeting link in the text box. Let me start an instant meeting in order to show it to you. Once join in adding meeting members by clicking on Add Others, select the contact that you'd like to invite, or simply typing their name or their email into text box and invite them into your meeting. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see the three dots which says More Options. If you click on that, you'll be able to find other options for where you can work with. You can simply click on this Apply Visual Effects and side effects that are available in the display. As you can see that there are only effects available in Google Meet but no filters whatsoever. So in that case, what you can do is simply open up a new tab, go to Google extension in the search box. And then from the search results, click on this Chrome Web Store Google Chrome link, which will take you to Chrome Web Store. Now, go to the search box at the upper left and search for Visual Effects. Once to do that, click on this Visual Effects for Google Meet extension option. And then on the next page, click on Add to Chrome. Once you click on that, you should see a pop-up at the top. Select Add Extension to add it on your web browser. Wait until the extension gets downloaded. And once it does, you should see this kind of a pop-up. Once you've added this extension, go to Meet. Google.com page. Once you join into your meeting, you should see this kind of a white bar at the left-hand side corner. As soon as it points to the white bar, you'll be able to see lots of visual effects that you can use from. Select one of the options that you'd like to use. And you should see the visual filters or effects displayed on the screen. You can also go ahead and select the face filters option by scrolling through the white bar and choosing one of them. And that way you'll be able to apply filters for yourself while in a meeting on Google Meet. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.